Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the HoldUp EVO 2 hitch-mounted bike rack from Yakima. The HoldUp EVO 2 is a 2-bike platform style rack, and when folded up, it's one of the most compact hitch racks on the market. It features wheel cradles to cup the front tire for added stabilization, and telescoping arms to secure it. A wheel tray and strap combination secures the rear wheel. The wheel trays have lots of adjustability to accommodate a wide variety of bike sizes. This bike rack also has the capability to tilt with bikes loaded to allow for access to the rear of your vehicle. Some assembly of the HoldUp EVO is required prior to installation. With a few bolts, you'll need to attach the tongue of the rack to the spine and the wheel trays as well. Refer to your instructions to complete these steps. With your HoldUp EVO assembled, slide the tongue of the bike rack into your hitch. This rack is available for both 1 1/4 and 2-inch hitch receivers. Once the rack has been inserted to the proper depth, insert the hitch pin. To secure the HoldUp EVO in the receiver, turn the red knob located near the base of the rack. Give the rack a shake as you tighten the knob to help wedge the tongue of the bike rack into the hitch for a snug fit. Don't forget to lock the knob once it's fully tightened to disable it, locking the bike rack to your vehicle. When you're ready to use the HoldUp EVO, depress this lever to fold the rack out. Next, unfold the front wheel cradles and the telescoping arms in preparation for loading bikes. The rear wheel cradles pivot to accommodate a variety of bike sizes. No adjustment is needed, just remove the wheel strap from the buckle so it doesn't snag on your wheel while loading a bike. To begin loading your first bike, place the front wheel in the wheel cradle. Raise the telescoping arm up into position. You want to get it as close to the frame as possible without the arm making contact. With the arm in position, ratchet the arm down onto the tire of the bike. Once it's set, give it one last pull to ensure it's secure. Route the wheel strap through the rear wheel of your bike and into the buckle. Then, pull it tight. Repeat the same steps for the second bike. Each telescoping arm has an integrated locking cable located at the top of the arm in order to lock the bikes to the rack. Wrap it around the frame of your bike and clip it back into the arm to secure it. Repeat this for the second bike as well. Last but not least, if you need access to the rear of your vehicle, pull the release lever located at the base of the rack to tilt the rack out of the way. As you can see with the rack in this position, the hatch on this Jeep has no issue clearing the bikes. When you're done, simply push the rack back up into place and hit the road. Thank you for checking out our video on the Yakima HoldUp EVO 2. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.